Introduce short overview by pictures of Morris 18-inch jumping clown animated prop with creepy laugh Halloween decoration prop decor. You enter are here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. In description below is outstanding features with illustrations and descriptions of Morris 18-inch jumping clown animated prop with creepy laugh Halloween decoration prop decor, if you are searching. It is recommended that you do not miss it. But, if you think in this video there are not enough details, you want Morris 18-inch jumping clown animated prop with creepy laugh Halloween decoration prop decor more details? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.